Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. In this video, I will be collaborating with AliyaheliseTV. I'm going to leave her information down below. We are both creating a pink Valentine look and we want to do something very fun, very girly, and add a little touch of glitter right in there. And I will be leaving her video also in my description box down below, so you guys go check her out. Her work is amazing. She's also creating a Valentine pink look, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Keep on watching. Bye. I'm taking a piece of tape. I'm going to tape that right on the side of my eyes so I can be able to create that nice cut on the side. Place the tape right there. So once I've placed that right on the side, that will help my eyeshadow to be very sharp right at the edge, because I'm going to use black to smoke out my sides. I don't want the black to get all over the place. So I'm going to place that tape right there. I'm taking my MAC Soft Ochre. I'll be placing that right on my lid. This will help my eyeshadow really stay very pigmented. And I'm using my Nars 43 brush to blend it out more. You have to blend this really fast because it gets dry pretty quick. I'll be using the Mercier highlighter one to highlight my brow bone. So of course I usually spray my brush first, then take a tiny bit and just put it right there. And up next, I'm using the Morphe 39A palette, and I'll be placing this color right here on my crease. I'm just applying the color first, then blend it out. Then I'm going to use my Morphe brush to blend out the edge, and I'm going in a circular motion. I'm going to take this color right here. This is Wild Cherry from Melkior. This is a UK based brand and they're really good, and they usually sell the eyeshadow in singles, so you can pretty much get a bunch and just create your own palette. So I'm going to put that right on my crease. So I want to dip in that color more, so very lightly apply that right on top of this. Then I'm just going back with a clean brush, and this is Morphe R40, and just lightly blend out that top area to make it look very clean and well blended. That's pretty much how you can really get your eyes looking very sharp, is just blending your eyeshadow out pretty well. I'm going to take this black right here Morphe palette, the 39A, and apply that on my outer crease. I'm lightly tapping that right on. And I'm going back with this. I'm just putting that right on the top edge just to blend out that black a little bit more, to make it blend out more with the other colors right there. So very soft. Then I'm going back with the first color I used from the Morphe palette and just bring back that pink right there. I'm just going back with that clean brush and just pretty much blending out that edge area a little bit more. So I really want a properly blended eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my usual. I'm using the Tarte, and I'm going to use that to create the cut crease. Make sure I get right in there. I think we're good. The same highlighter I use on my brow bone, I'm going to place that right on my lid. I'll be going in with this color right here on my lid also, from the Morphe X Jaclyn palette. Placing down my lid area just to brighten it a little bit more. I'll be going in my Maybelline Master Ink eyeliner in black. Up next, I'll also be using this Maybelline gel liner. And up next, I'll be using my NYX glitter glue. I'm taking like a little amount on my brush. And I'm going to apply that right on my eyeliner, because I'm going to be applying my glitter right on top of my eyeliner. So I want it to stick properly. So I'm going to just place that right on my liner. And next I'll be using these glitters that I got from eBay. They're really good. I'm going to apply that right on my eyeliner. So once I've applied the pink, I'm going to mix the pink and silver together. Kind of bring out a liner more. So I'll be applying that right on top of my liner. Then I'm going to apply my mascara. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. I got these lashes from eBay. No name brand, but it's poppin'. I'm going to go ahead and remove my tape. Ooh, check out that edge. Nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some Tarte Shape Concealer right underneath my eyes. Just applying a little bit so I can be able to apply my eyeshadow and stuff. Then I'll apply my Trish liner right underneath. I'm applying that right on my waterline area. Then I'll be taking my black I use on my outer part, smoke that out a little bit more. Then I'll be going in with the color I used on my crease on the Morphe palette, and I just apply it right underneath there. And I'm just gonna take that blending brush and just smoke out that black around that edge area a little bit. Lightly take that color, that brush, and just blend it out underneath there. I'm gonna take a clean brush and just clean out that edge. Doesn't look too sharp. So I'm going to be adding some of that glitter glue, just a little bit, right in the center part of my eyes. The silver and the pink, a little bit, take my time, just put a little bit right there. So I'm going to be using my MAC Extended Play Mascara, and I'll apply that right on my lower lash. So my eyes is pretty much done. I'm going to move on to my face. I'm just going to wipe out some of that because I want like a clean under eye. I ordered some stuff from MAC and they sent me a sample of their Prep and Prime primer. I've never tried this before, but I've heard good reviews about it. So I'm going to apply that right on my face. I usually get like breakouts when it comes to primer, but I hope I don't get breakout from this one. So we're gonna try it out and see how it works. If it's okay, then I'm going to get it. And up next, I'll be using my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation in 9.5. I haven't used this foundation in a while. Ooh, that's a lot. I think I took so much. Oh my gosh. Not much better. I think I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend this out because It just scared me. I think I took so much on the brush. Up next, I'll be mixing the Tarte Shape Tape and the Colourpop concealers together. I find that the Tarte is a little bit light for my under eye, so I usually just add a little bit of the Colourpop in Rich Tan, and I just apply that right underneath my eyes. Also, just pretty much mix it to kind of get the color I really like. Then I'm just going to go ahead and spray my sponge and just blend that. Let me just go in and just touch it up a little bit right there. Then put some on my nose. Hope that's not too much. A little bit because this color is... The Tarte concealer dries really fast, so you really have to be very fast when you're applying it. So that I'm going to take the Colourpop and just apply that some on my forehead, using that as my cream contour. I'm not going to apply the cream contour on my nose. I don't want it to be too much right there. So I'm going to take my NYX bronzer and I'm just going to bronze that right in my contour area to help set the cream contour. Then I'm just taking a small little brush and I'm going to just bring that right on my nose. And I'll be taking my RCMA no color powder and I'm going to use that to set my under eyes. I'm just going to apply that right underneath. I'm not really going to set that long, just apply it really quick and just brush it off. And just use that to clean my sides. And I'm going to take my brush and just brush that off. And up next, I'll be applying my Laura Mercier foundation powder in number 16. Very lightly, tapping that right on and just going over that on my face. Just like that underneath my eyes, and much of my T-zone areas, and just to help me set my face. Up next, I'll be using my Nars Orgasm blush. I've said it so many times, this is like my favorite blush ever. I will be applying the Laura Mercier highlighter one on my face. Before I do that, of course, you already know, I'm going to set my face, both sides. This highlight is very strong, so I'm not going to go too hard on this one. That's it. Oh my gosh. Blingin'. I just love those two combinations together, the blush and the highlighter. Fire. Yes. Then I'm applying some on the bridge of my nose, and right there. And up next, I will be applying my Colourpop. This look a little bit muted, so I'm not gonna show it but I'll be using the Colourpop lip liner in CHI. Up next, I'll be applying the Smashbox Liquid Metal in Mauve Squad. So pretty. I love the pink undertone it has going on. So up next, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. Bathe me in this setting spray. Yes. So let me go ahead and get the look together and I'll be right back.